In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Webflow site. Whether you're clearing up space or just tidying up your projects, deleting an unwanted Webflow site can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all your Webflow projects. Here, you'll see a list populated with all your current projects. From this list, find the specific project you wish to delete. It's important to be absolutely certain that you've chosen the correct project because once you delete a site, it cannot be recovered. After identifying the project you want to remove, focus your attention on the three dots or ellipsis icon located right next to the project's name. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options related to managing your project. From these options, go ahead and select Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be taken to the project's settings page. This is where you fine-tune many aspects of your site, but for our purposes today, we're heading straight to the bottom of the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for a section called the Danger Zone, or sometimes labeled Delete Option. As ominous as it sounds, this is where you can take final, irreversible actions, so proceed with caution. Here, you'll find the button labeled Delete Site. Click on this button to initiate the process. However, Webflow wants to make sure that deleting your site is truly what you intend to do, so a confirmation prompt will appear. This is an additional safeguard to prevent any accidental deletions. To confirm your intention, you'll be required to type the name of the site exactly as it appears on your screen. This step ensures that you consciously acknowledge which project you are about to remove. Double-check the spelling and format to avoid any errors. Finally, with the site name entered correctly, it's time for the last step. Click the final Delete button. By doing so, your site is permanently removed from your list of projects, freeing up space for future creations and keeping your workspace organized. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a Webflow site. Remember to always verify that you're deleting the correct project and to make use of backups if needed. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Until next time, happy designing.